Scattering formula, differential cross section Born approximation, d sigma by d omega is equal to f theta phi square whole square mu square by 4 pi square h का टू the power 4 integration of e to the power iota q vector r cap v r cap d cube small r square dash square. Partial wave analysis, f of theta is equal to summation of L is equal to 0 infinite FL theta 1 by k summation of L is equal to 0 infinite 12 plus 1 e to the power iota delta L sin delta L PL cos theta. Very most important formula. Okay, partial wave analysis. Thank you.